All right, so as you can see, it looks plain. The color is basically coming off. You can clearly see the scratches and the fading, and boom, boom. Check that out. Look at that beautiful shine. Ain't no joke. This is the close-up too. Wow. All right, so the first thing we're doing is we're putting tape on. All right, you don't really need a lot of it, just kind of basic taping. Second thing I do is I take the multi-clean, purpose cleaning, boom, and I'm gonna clean these seats real nice. Okay, real easy, and this works. I promise you this works. So once again, the lighting is kind of bad here, but I think you can see how faded that leather is, or pleather, whatever that is. All right, and this works. Don't let anybody tell you that this doesn't work. This literally works. Get this, it's about $7 at O'Reilly's, $8 in Napa. Now, so as you can see, I got it taped off. I got a big cardboard here on my windshield. Let's do this slowly.
Ooh. And this works too. Don't think it doesn't work. It works.
Stay back about 10 inches.
Look at that. Bringing the shine back right away.
Alright, so this is one coat here. And as you can tell, it is beautiful. Look at this. This is one coat. Wow. That looks good. It might look good on camera, but if I zoom in, I'll show you how the leather is fading, or pleather, whatever this is. It's fading. There's a bunch of dirt everywhere. You see that? Now watch. Let's go.
Start slow.
See that? And that's the color it's going to stay. It dries in about 10 minutes and it stays shiny like this for about a year. Not playing.
Real stuff here. Look at this beauty. Brings out the color. Don't breathe it in because it's poison. It's not like your normal paint. This is not your average paint. This paint is better. It can crack and still look good.
Now, check this out, boys. Check this out, the shine. The beautiful shine. Woo-wee, girlfriend. I mean, yeah, I guess. Look at that, boys. Look at that, boys. That is beautiful. And that's, I guarantee I've done this before and it lasts. It doesn't just peel off, whatever. You know, it stays there. All right, so about a year or two, you got to redo it again, but damn, that looks good. What up? What up? Coming at you live from the burbs. Leave a thumb up if you like. Peace. Here's a little better view. You can see I missed a spot. You see that? Right there? I missed the spot. But otherwise, look how beautiful it looks. Compared to that,